Hi everyone, today I am here with something different. I am presenting my most favorite dish prepared by my mom. A super tasty yet with very simple ingredients. This is a Bengali dish. Those who like bhapa or masala type dishes are going to love it. And the best part is today my mom is going to prepare it. This is a very authentic recipe. Actually, it's inherited from my nanny. So let's get started. Today we got 2 bunches of gourd leaves or lau pata. It's very difficult to get, generally not available every day in city market here. First we have to choose tender fresh leaves. Not all leaves we can use. Mainly choose from top side of the stem. See, this is a good leaf. We need this type of leaves. This process is little bit time consuming, but as we can't simply use any leaf, we have to look for soft and fresh one. Now we have to remove midrib and veins of the leaves. It will make our leaves more soft. Let's see the process closely. Remove from both front side and back side. A gentle reminder, please consider to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications for all new videos. No, cannot take this one. This one also. Such a nice leaf. So this much only we got from those 2 big bunches. Now wash each and every leaf thoroughly. Now drain water completely from the leaves. This is very important. Add salt turmeric, cumin powder, mustard oil. Add specifically mustard oil. No other oil will taste good for this recipe. Add red chili powder. Please add red or green chilies taste-wise. Now take time and mix really well. After primary mixing, we have to check if more oil or any other spices are required. Adding more oil and cumin powder. Mix again in same way. Want to remind you again, please like the video, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications for all new videos. It's almost 5 minutes now. Leaves lost its crispness and become totally soft. Oil and spices are also mixed well. Now leave it covered for minimum 30 minutes. It looks like cooked already. Now heat up 2 to 3 tablespoons mustard oil and place the leaves evenly on the heated pan. Please remember to put the flame in simmer. Cover and cook for 5 minutes in low flame. Turn after few minutes, and in between you have to check there is enough water. It should not be dry completely. These 4-5 minutes are critical. You have to check the water, softness of the leaves over and over. Once you feel leaves become soft and properly cooked, switch off the gas and keep covered in the cooking pan for another 15 minutes before serving. This is the standing time. Standing time is the carryover cooking that allows the temperature to become more equalized throughout the food and finishes the cooking process. So our dish is ready. Today the dish was vegetarian, but this tastes best when tried with climbing gourami or koi mach or medium-sized prawns or any other fishes. You may try it out. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. See you in my next video.